Hi, I'm Annette Gotland, author of the Do-It-Yourself Java Games books. I realize some people prefer to watch videos over reading books, so I decided to make video versions of my books. These videos use the same teaching approach and will guide you to create the same games. I plan to create 4 video series: text games, graphical games, animated video games, and multiplayer games. The games in each series build upon skills taught in the previous series, so I recommend that you watch all the videos in each series and in the order they were created. In the Text Games series, you'll learn the fundamentals of Java programming as you create 14 text-based games. Note, no programming experience is required. This series is based on the book Do-It-Yourself Java Games, An Introduction to Java Computer Programming. Text-based games use a scrolling text screen to ask questions and respond to your answers. For example, the Hangman game in this series asks you to guess letters. 3 bad guesses, A, O, and U, resulted in 3 parts of the hangman being drawn on the gallows. 2 good guesses, E and I, put those letters in the phrase. I'll guess the letter T. That was a good guess. I'm pretty sure I know the phrase. Do you? In this series, you'll create games like Choose an Adventure, Word Scramble, Secret Code, Word Mastermind, Hangman, and Crazy Eights. In the Graphical Games series, you'll create 10 more colorful, more interactive games. This series is based on the book More Do-It-Yourself Java Games, An Introduction to Java Graphics and Event-Driven Programming. In event-driven programming, the program lays out all the game pieces, then waits. The user then takes an action, and the program responds to that action, whatever that action may be, and in whatever order the actions are taken. You'll learn to create windows and dialogues, to add buttons and input fields, to use images and drawings, and to respond to keyboard input and mouse clicks and drags. You'll create games like Watch Your Step, Sliding Tiles, Maze Generator, and Baker's Dozen Solitaire. In the Animated Video Games series, you'll create 8 more graphical games, but this time with sound and continuous action. This series is based on the book Advanced Do-It-Yourself Java Games, An Introduction to Java Threads and Animated Video Games. Whereas the graphics series games started with an initial window, then waited for the program user to take an action, the games in this series add threads to play sound and to perform automated, simultaneous activities, whether the user takes an action or not. You'll create games like Match 3, Baby Bird, Falling Bricks, Gravity Well, and Cat and Mouse. In the Multiplayer Games series, you'll create 7 games that you can play against friends on other computers, communicating within a home network or over the internet. This series is based on the book Do-It-Yourself Multiplayer Java Games, An Introduction to Java Sockets and Internet-Based Games. Whereas the other series had games you played against the computer or against a previous high score, the games in this series allows you to play against another human using Java sockets and TCP/IP. You'll create games like Dots and Boxes, Word Hunt, Snakes, and Double Solitaire. I use a discovery learning approach to teaching. I feel you'll come to understand Java programming techniques better by doing Java programming than by reading about them. You'll discover how, when, and why Java programs are written the way they are. I'll give you many fill-in-the-blank code listings to challenge you to think and to write the program code yourself. Writing the code yourself reinforces learning, but don't worry, I provide the completed code listings at the end of each video. Throughout each lesson, I'll ask you to run the code you've entered to verify that it runs as expected. There's something very satisfying about seeing the hangman drawn as you test some first guesses, or seeing your baby bird flap his wings for the first time. Playing these games throughout the programming process is just one of the many perks of learning Java through creating games. Along the way, you'll learn the skills necessary for creating any kind of program. I'll guide you to write complete programs yourself, starting with the very first lesson. My goal is to inspire others to learn computer programming and have fun doing it.